Also, the situation on our neighbor island, Boneiru, is again not going in the right direction. And although other islands around us, such as St. Martin, St. Kitts, and Saba, are doing quite well right now, the countries in Europe and the USA classified as very high risk due to the rising number in the COVID cases. And so we see back and forth the dynamic shifting and changing from country to country. And that is the new norm, and that is our reality. Thus, we do expect that at some point the virus will enter Statia again, while on the other hand, our vaccination percentage has only reached approximately 40% of the total population count. By opening up, we take the risk that Statians might get severely ill from COVID-19 and might even die. To avoid such a catastrophe, each and every one of us must take responsibility in this. Each and every resident. The government cannot do this alone. That is why I urge you to take your responsibility. You must protect yourself, to keep Statia safe, to keep your family members safe, and to keep all loved ones safe. How can you take responsibility? The basic measures have not changed. Social distancing, wearing a face mask, and hand hygiene. But besides this, you should protect yourself and the community by limiting your contacts if there is COVID on the island, and by getting vaccinated. We continue to say that vaccination is your own choice, but it is proven to be the most effective method to protect yourself from severe illness or even death should you contract COVID. We will open up on January 3rd carefully.